Hi everyone, Careless Entry here. I watched a video from Downundermonkey the other night. I think it was last night actually, and he picked the Schlage Everest SFIC, and he made a very good point that resonated with me, which is he was inspired by his friend Nick, feral shooter, and yeah, just through watching the video and everything that Downundermonkey said, yeah, it really made me think to push myself as well. You know, that video really inspired me as well to try to pick locks that I usually sort of try to avoid or don't think I have the confidence to pick. Yeah, so I've, sort of gave me a bit of time to sort of self reflect and actually sort of noticed that I've been picking locks mostly that I know I can pick. So now I'm going to challenge myself to pick locks that I don't know that I can definitely pick for sure. So anyway, so I've got this ABUS 83 IC 45, which is the same as your normal 8345. It's got the IC, which means interchangeable core. So yeah, that's it's a little bit different than normal ABUS. There's the actuator there down the bottom. It's got a plate and a screw holding everything in, and this core here, I got this from Amazon a while back, and also got this as a separate item. And I think this was listed as a Falcon style 6-pin SFIC with a keyway, which I think is the most common keyway, and I think the least paracentric. Also have a few other SFICs like a G and the H, which are 7-pinners. This one is guttable, that's why I purchased this one, because you can take it apart, which is awesome. So yeah, with the ABUS, you get a little adapter like this. This one's obviously for a 6-pin. It's got 6 written on it, and it comes with another one for your 7-pinners, and it comes with the Z bar to make it key retaining. So yeah, pretty cool locks. Thought they were cool. But this one's got 3 keys. 2 are operation, 1 is control. But they're labelled as construction and control, so it's probably operating and control. But anyway, so yeah, this opens up quite nicely. Oh, I left this piece out, didn't I? Jeez, already stuffing up the video. So yeah, with these you need to put them in. If you try to put the core in like that, it's gonna slip out. Doesn't have much to hold on to. So you really need to hold it up like that and then put it in place and then your operating key will work. So it's got no screw down the shackle like the 8345s usually do, but yeah, so this one's the IC interchangeable core version. So yes, so that inspired me to give this a pick. I did, just a quick disclaimer, I have picked this before once about a week ago. And yeah, it's sort of, I think I got more lucky than anything, but we'll see how we go with this one today. So yep, still works, and I think I used Downundermonkey's tensioner as well, and I think it was the lockout buster because it had the most reach. Yep, so I'll just zoom in and give it a pick. After almost 5 minutes of jibber jabbering. But yeah, no, it's great to be inspired by other pickers. You know, it's good to challenge yourself with different types of locks and different lock formats. So I'm just working off the bottom here, and because there are little, not sure if you can see it, but there are little grooves in the warding there for each pin. So yeah, let's try to pick it open. Right, so okay, I think one feels binding. Slipped off it. Let's try that again. Okay, it's one there. Slipped off again. Okay, I think I got one set there. Got a little bit of movement on the core, tiniest bit. Okay, 2 is also binding. To play around with the tension a little bit, but I'm not sure if that. I'm going to leave that alone for a second. 3 is binding. Let off the tension a bit. Okay, that's 3. Okay, 4 is binding. So they're all binding in order. I heard something drop then, so I'm not sure what that was. That's 4. Oop. Got a bit of movement, but almost felt like an overset. 5. Oh, 5 is binding. There we go. Okay, got a click out of 5 and some movement. And 6 is binding. Oh, and we got an open. Awesome. So, I always find it harder to pick locks on camera. I don't know why. It's just me, but it's 10 times harder for me to pick locks on camera for some reason, and I didn't expect that to get picked so quick. So yes, it's always good to challenge yourself and never underestimate yourself. Yeah, just keep pushing, and yeah, it's what gets you through. So yeah, I really appreciate that video from Downundermonkey. It really made me sort of think and yeah, sort of re-evaluate where I am in my picking sort of stage, you know. Since okay, 7 minutes, we'll give it a quick gut. So remove that. These are guttable, or this one in particular is anyway. So we use this little mat here. I'm gonna need this. It's got a little clip on the back. The other SFICs I have sort of got like a back plate and rivets holding that in, so unfortunately I don't know how to gut them, or if there are replacement rivets, but I am learning more about them. So okay, so now I guess get the operational key, which is the construction key on this one, and put a shim there. Still going in. Just want to make sure it's all the way in, because I know these can be nasty to gut. Okay. Oh, that follower is too big. That one. This one is a tad too small. I reckon I can work with it. Pray it doesn't just explode on me as I drop a couple of key pins out of the core. Oh, it's still together. That's good. So get some tweezers. Let's put these key pins back in. Oh, okay, I've pushed the key in too far. That's why it's not lining up. Right, okay, there we go. So that's all 6 chambers in their field, and that's how it had to be picked there. So 6 just a tad, and we've got a nice gatekeeper there on 2 for all these. So cool, nice little pick there. I've got these key pins out. It's a tiny one, that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. So just a standard core, a little bit bigger than like a 7240 ABUS, because this follower here is the one I use like for the American and 1100, 1200. It's a little bit bigger, so these cores are a little bit bigger. And I'm not sure if I've got a follower exactly that size actually, so just go away with that one. There's some really small key pins in here. They're tiny. Not tiny in diameter, just really short. Okay, so now this is going to be the tricky part, I guess. Go from the back, and I know there's going to be 2 drivers popping up every time, so I've got to be very vigilant to see which one comes out first. Okay, so this little small one came out first, and that long one. Yeah, some of these are so small, they're like master wafers. That one looks like a master wafer, that one there. Steel spring. And yeah, that's doing it wrong already. So that was going from the back, so that's number 6. 5. Okay, got a medium and a long. And another spring. Could be fun putting this back together. Okay, so we've got a very long one and a short one. Oh, look at that, perfect. That couldn't have happened if I tried. Okay, so going from the front now, so 1. Okay, so we've got medium and then a little bit bigger. So there doesn't appear to be any tapering on these at all. All sort of straight cut. Okay, so we've got a small one and then a large one. A spring, which does not want to come out. Some motion. There we go. Just need a bit of persuasion. Yep. And number 3. Medium and another medium. Oh, wow. I think that was this one here. Oh, luckily they're both the same height, so I will have to recheck that before reassembling it though. And number 3 spring. Oh, it's caught up on the shear line. Unless it's fallen out somewhere. Oh no, I can see it. Oh yeah, it's catching up on the shear line because the other I might try to press the spring down and remove this. No, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna mangle up the spring. Oh. Oh, this is tricky. Come on, spring. Okay, there we go. Everything's dropped out. Okay, no damage, that's the main thing. So, pretty much the same sort of setup that Downundermonkey picked. So that's how it works there. So you got sort of the main Bible here. And then you sort of control Bible there that moves and rotates to engage the core, or the core into the lock body. Alright, let's give you guys a quick close-up of the pins, and that'll be it, I reckon. Stoked to get this open, and yeah. My first SFIC on camera. That's all the key pins there, as you can see. They might have a slight taper on them, but I wouldn't really call that a taper at all. Yep, and then you got your second set. So sorry, you've got your key pins, your first set of drivers, then your second set of drivers. So down the bottom would be your operating shear line, and then your control shear line. I think that's how it works. I'm not too sure. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, that's all from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and take care. See you guys on the next one.